How come you haven't found a decent guy?
I have to feel it when I meet the guy, and it's never happened.
How can you feel for somebody you're meeting for the first time? Everyone puts on their best face.
I don't know. I have to like something about him and fall in love.
So you want to see someone in an arranged marriage and fall in love with him. In which case, you're expecting a love marriage in an arranged marriage.
You're making it sound too complicated. My expectations are very simple.
Oh, I see. Are you doing something this weekend?
I'll have to meet up with my friends and this guy, Anantaraman.
Oh, sorry. Really sorry. You see, this is the first time I see a girl. So, little tense.
Just relax. It's okay.
Yeah. Eh, Your parents give my parents a photo of you. In photo, you're very beautiful. Now also, my mother like you a lot.
Excuse me.
Huh?
Order in big, madam.
I will have a chili dosa.
Chili dosa. Okay.
Dosa has to be very soft.
Okay.
Chili's finely cut. Onion should not be inside dosa, but in a separate cup. And with less oil. That's it.
Sir, nimge en ಬೇಕು sir?
I take a meal.
Bari meal
And make sure you don't make it too spicy.
Okay. Okay.
So, what kind of a girl do you want?
She love family. My family. Be good wife. Daughter-in-law. Just like my mother.
Madam, ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪೂರಿ ಸರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮೀಲ್ಸ್.
My mother, when we were very small, take us to this pond. My cousins, all of us take bath. Lots of fun. So on Saturdays, my mother says I have dosham. So Saturday I go to the temple. Sunday we all go to my auntie's house, sit and watch movies.
So you don't have friends?
I have, but they are avoiding me. Anyway, I prefer spending time with family. One request. When you come to see my mother, can you wear sari?
I can even wear a half sari.
I wait every single day outside, counting the stairs. You dumbass.
Hey! Please use the spare key, da.
You know what? I should have gone and stayed in a hotel.
Anyway, da, today couldn't be helped. Shalu and I had a big fight.
What happened?
She wanted to do it with me, man. I said no way. I gotta keep my options open.
Wow, man. None of the girls I go out with have ever asked for something like that.
Anyway, da, to hell with her. There's this other girl in my acting class who's interested in me.
Man, this is unbelievable. You know what? I never thought there'll be a day when you'll have so many babes around you. I'm impressed, man.
What to do, man? I'm Sandy, the smooth operator.
Smooth operator.
Your hand.
Okay. Where are you taking me? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So this brings us to the end of the course. Next Saturday, we have a small competition. You can pair up and present a skit. Okay? So see you next Saturday. Thank you very much.
So let's participate in the competition.
My mom's coming tomorrow. I can't leave her and come for practice.
Hey, I'll take care of everything. I'll even come up with a script. All you have to do is give me 1 hour a day for practice, that's all. Please, Nitya, come on.
I don't know.
Hey, so you guys are not going to participate, huh?
Not sure.
It's going to be an easy win for us.
That's right.
Come on, let's go.
You're gonna take that from them, Nitya? Come on, be a man. Come on, please.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna win. So we'll have to meet tomorrow a little earlier for rehearsal, alright?
Yeah, okay.
So, you want to become an actress, huh? Running around trees?
No, I just joined this for fun. Can't imagine myself as an actress. So how about you?
I've always wanted to become an actor. I was just waiting for an opportunity.
Mm-hmm. Hello? Hi. Yeah. Okay, we'll be there. Bye. Remember my friend Raki?
Huh?
It's her birthday tomorrow,
Yeah?
and she's hosting a party.
Oh. So I guess I won't see you tomorrow then, huh?
Actually, they want to see you. Why don't you come?
Oh. It looks like you've spoken a lot about me.
Don't you think I have better things to talk about?
I don't even know why I asked that.
Okay, here we go. It's the start. That's what you always say.
I am.
One for you,
What?
one for you, one for you, one for you, one for you, and the lucky one for me.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey.
Let's see what I've got. Give me my cards.
Uh-oh.
Like the chips.
Okay,
Your
I
turn.
go blind.
Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
I also.
Go away.
I'm in.
Okay.
Now...
Hey, don't show me your
What
cards.
are you gonna do, Nitya?
I pack.
Did you see that?
Oh, smart move. Yeah, give me
Yeah.
those cards.
Come on.
Alright, I'll go blind.
I'm still in.
Right?
I'm in.
Jay.
Great man.
I... What? I call in.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm in.
Cool, man.
I
What
am.
are you gonna do?
I've got the most amazing cards, man.
Yeah?
So I quit.
See, it is my lucky day.
Okay. Arjun, way to go.
What's yours?
What do I do?
Jay, come on.
What you gonna do,
I'm
Jack?
in. Okay, I'll pack too. I'll pack too.
Alright!
Shut up.
I'll also pack.
Come on, attention please.
Finally,
Huh. I'm blind.
Whoa, he's blind still.
Ooh, face off. Arjun, serious, huh?
I'm in. Man, this is getting hard. Hey Jay, can you just give me one? You better return it. Thanks, I owe you one.
Well, since you're broke, let's go for show.
You really want me to show?
Yeah, sure.
Show!
Show.
Come on! Show! I've got a color.
Alright!
Whoa.
You see that?
I
What do you
think
have with
Arjun's
you?
gonna win.
Why don't you see?
Let's find out. Sequence! Alright. Lady Luck.
You lost, Arjun!
Great.
Oh, man. I've had enough of this. I'm leaving.
It's only a game.
Get lost.
Nitya? I'm not able to see the mail. Can you see what the problem is?
Whom are you sending the mail to?
To one of my old student, Naveen. He's a very nice and good-looking boy. He was always a topper in my class. Stays here only. He's coming here tomorrow. Should also meet him.
Is he coming to see me?
He's a nice boy. I'm sure he'll be the right person for you.
I asked you to leave me alone for some time.
Just see him. After that, I won't trouble you.
It's not possible, Ma. I'm working late tomorrow.
But I've already asked him to come here for dinner.
Why do you do things without asking me?
Don't get angry. Can't you do this for me?
I'll consider.
Nitya, please.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I'm on my way to the office.
Oh, what's the matter?
Actually, I don't think I can come for practice today.
What do you mean, Da? We have just one day left.
Yeah, I'm meeting a guy.
Okay, go ahead. That's more important than this silly competition.
My mom has already called him home for dinner and he is...
You don't have to explain.
I'll come early the day after. We'll practice and then go on stage.
Sure.
Okay, I'll get going.
Good luck. So, who is the guy?
He was my mom's student in school.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.